السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله، الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. We are doing this book, Hidayatun now. There are 56 lessons and we've reached 25th lesson today. And we are doing Mabniyat, fixed, right? Because he has his book divided into, if you can see these bookmarks, he has his book divided into three parts. Ism, fail, and have like three parts of speech. And then he started about, Nahw, Kalima, then declinable, then Mamnu min as-sarf, partially declinable, then nominative nouns, Marfuat, Mansubat, Majrurat, and then Tawabi. And now we are starting on Mabniyat, Mabniyat, which are fixed. We've done two lessons of those. Today, this is the fourth type, Asma'ul Af'al. You might be like, what's this? These are nouns which give the meaning of verbs. Asma'ul af'al. These are called verbal nouns. Nouns which give the meaning of verbs. Ismul fi'l, kullu ismin, every noun. يكون بمعنى الأمر والماضي. It is in the meaning of أمر and ماضي. مثل رويدا زيدا أي أمهله. رويدا, that means slow down. زيد, that means amhilhu, yani slow down, same thing. Amhilhu is also same thing. Delay him. Ravayda Zaidan. Delay him. That means slow Zaid down. Yeah, that's what they translate. Slowly Zaid. That means in order. Yeah. Slow down, O Zaid. Maybe that's what. Slowly Zaid. I amhilhu. That is slow him down. I hayhata Zaidun. Be away, Zaid. أي بعد هيهات. It comes in the Quran also. رويدا also. هاؤم take خذوا هاؤم اقرأوا كتابي خذ. حيا أي أقبل. This means أقبل عجل. Come fast. حيا. مكانك أي أثبت. مكانك, stay there, stay where you are. مكانك, your place. عليك. عليك is used. إلزم, stick. You might be like ala plus ka, yeah, but they use it in an action, in the meaning of a verb. وَلَهُ وَزْنٌ قِيَاسِي. These are all sama'i, no? There's no rule like that. You just have to memorize them. It has qiyasi also, that is fa'ali. بمعنى الأمر من الثلاثي. It's like a command from three-letter verbs. Let's do nazali, yani inzil, nazala. Taraki, yani utruk. So any three-letter, generally we can make it through this pattern, fa'ali pattern, like hadari, warn, care, take warn, take heed. So this is ismul fa'al. وقد يلحق به فعالي مصدرا معرفة. Now another way of doing that is you can bring with a masdar which is ma'rifa. As in fajari بمعنى الفجور. So it can be in the meaning of a masdar also. So yulhaqu does mean attached here. It means associated. So fa'ali means fajari yani fujur. أو صفة للمؤنث, it could be adjective for a female, feminine. نحو يا فساخي. Oh, corrupt one. فساخي بمعنى فاسقة, for a woman. أو يا لكاعي بمعنى لاكعة, depraved one, لكاعي, depraved. أو علما للعيان المؤنثة. He's just giving another, like فعالي, what patterns it would come. Or it could be a name, a noun للعيان المؤنثة for specific things. Like for example, khatami, names, notable females. غلابي, حضاري. These could be names. وهذه الثلاثة الأخيرة ليست من أسماء الأفعال. These فعالي, when it comes to a masdar or صفة مؤنثة or names of feminine, they are not from أسماء الأفعال. وإنما ذكرت ها هنا للمناسبة. And you're saying this is mentioned here for munasaba, for appropriateness. Because fa'ali has come, let's discuss this also. But these are not from ismul fa'al. That's it. There's nothing new. But ultimately, ismul fa'al is mabni. That's what you have to learn. It is fixed. So however you've heard it, fa'ali, you cannot give tanween, you cannot add al generally. You cannot do all these things. Hayya also, you cannot say hayya. Or makanak, alayka. You cannot change them. They are mabni. They are fixed. النوع الخامس أسماء الأصوات. These are nouns like bow bow of dogs. These are also fixed, obviously. The اسم الصوت كل اسم حكي به صوت. Some sound is there, mimicking sound. مثل غاقي. You can imagine what this is for crows. صوت الغراب غاقي غاقي. وطاقي لحكاية الضرب. طاقي is like طق طق, knocking, knock knock طق. and طق لحكاية وقع الحجارة بعضها, and طق is a sound like splash or knock kind of, when a stone hits another. These are the أو لصوت يصوت به للبهائم, or it could be sounds for humans. كنخ, for braying of a camel is called نخ. للإناخة للبهائم. These are also مبنية. النوع السادس مركبات, compound words. So when two words come together, they become compound words. المركب كل اسم so there's also مبني, mostly كل اسم ركب من الكلمات ليس بينهما نسبة. مركب, two nouns come and there's no nisba, there's no relation, like it's not fail file generally or مبتدا خبر like that. أي ليس بينهما النسبة الإضافية, it's not مضاف مضاف إليه عبد الله, أو الإسنادية, no إسناد is fail file مبتدا خبر like that. فإن تضمن الجزء الثاني من المركب حرفا فيجب بناؤها على الفتح. فإن تضمن, the second part is the meaning of a harf, then it should be on a fath. Like the second part of the word is not an ism, not a fail, it's a harf. So you give fatha, he says مثل أحد عشر إلى تسعة عشر. Why is أحد عشر إلى تسعة عشر except إثنى عشر? Because 12 is فإنه مثنى معرب كالمثنى, it is dual. So أحد عشر literally is like 12. أحد عشر. Why did they make it mabni? Well, it they say that it has a meaning of harf in it, min or something. أحد من عشرة, or um, like that. That's why it's mabni. The second part of this عشرة 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 is like fixed. Okay. وإن لم يتضمن الثاني حرفا ففيها ثلاث لغات. But if the second part does not have any harf, meaning of harf, ففيها ثلاث لغات, then it has three dialects kind of, or three ways. أفصحها بناء الأول للفتح. The most eloquent one is to have فتحة, وإعراب الثاني, and the second is إعراب وإعراب غير المنصرف, and the third is غير منصرف. So there are three ways. One is fully معرب, like بعل بكة. The most, this thing is this thing. But some made it full إعراب of the second. So بعل بكون, بعل بكن, بعل بكين. And the third لغة is غير منصرف. بعل بكو, بعل بكا, بعل بكا. No tanween and no kasra. And معدي كريب also, which is a name. الخلاصة, that's خلاصة is اسم الفعل اسم يدل على معنى فعل الأمر أو الماضي. اسم فعل is a noun which indicates فعل أمر أو الماضي ولا يقبل علامته وله وزن قياسي, and does not accept its signs, and has وزن قياسي, which is فعالي. Generally it is سماعي, you have to just the way it is, but many one pattern is there فعالي حذاري, أو من الثلاثي المجرد. اسم some 3 letters from it can be found. اسم الصوت اسم يحكى به صوت. This is also مبني, a noun which can be narrated a sound. طاق طاق. غاقي. المركب لفظ يركب من كلمتين. It's a word which is made of 2 words. ليس بينهما نسبة إضافية. There's no مضاف نفل relationship ولا إسنادية. بعل بكة and all that. أسئلة ما هو اسم الفعل مثلها. You can give this definition. ماذا يلحق باسم الفعل. What is اسم الفعل, what can be associated with it. اذكره مع مثال له. What can be associated. مصدر could be associated. فجاري and all 3 things. يلحق. So يلحق باسم الفعل. I mean same pattern you can find. They are called ملحق. Something which is associated. It's not actually اسم الفعل, but it has the same pattern. That's why discussed. Like fasaqi, calling a woman like that. And he gave three examples. No? ما هو اسم الصوت مثل له. What is اسم الصوت? عرف الاسم المركب. Give examples when two nouns comes together. متى يبنى المركب? When is it فتحة? When it has a meaning of حرف. م- That is 11 إلى 9 11 to 19 except 12. بأي الحالات يبنى الجزء الأول من المركب على الفتح ويعرب الثاني إعراب غير المنصرف. In which situation? Well, the third لغة he said no. third لغة مثل لذلك. أي أسماء الأفعال في الجمل الآتية. You have to point out اسم الأفعال. هاؤم مقرأ كتابي. هاؤم is the اسم الفعل. مثل خذوا. Take and read my book. كتابيا, the ha is added many times for كتابي. يا متكلم, we can say كتابيه. حي على على خير العمل. This is a Shia book, like we said. The translation here, I mean, not the actual book. So this is what they use in the Adhan, which is again incorrect because I didn't find anything. Actually, we should not have used any, but yeah, um, because this is the only one I found. May Allah forgive us. Um, so this is they use this in the Adhan. Makanaka ya Sa'id, stay in your place, O Sa'id. Actually, these exercises are not in the book. These are additions in the translation. عليك نفسك يا سعد. عليك نفسك, and stick to yourself. إلزم نفسك. هيهات من الذلة. Let, yeah, humility, what humiliation go far away. الذلة. عاذب آمين رب العالمين. آمين is اسم الفعل. نزالي عند رأيه. Go down to his opinion. That means accept his opinion. هيهات لما توعدون. Go away of what they have, or far away is what they are promised. فلا تقل لهما uff. Don't say to them uff. Uff also means I'm tired of you. Like I'm like that. Uff. عليكم أنفسكم. Stick to yourself. عليكم. Protect yourself first. نعم. عليكم أنفسكم. With that, a short lesson today. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallahu Khairan. We'll do kinayat in our next class. In 27th lesson, more 27, 28. That's it. And two more lessons, and we'll be done with our, oh, sorry, three more lessons, 26, 27, 28. Three more lessons, and we will be done with our mabniyat. Inshallah ta'ala. Jazakallahu khairan. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.